Hi beauties all around the world, how are you guys doing? So today we are doing this gorgeous eye makeup look using Natasha Denona's I Need Nude palette. Here are the rest of the products I have used on my face today. So ladies, here is the new Natasha Denona I Nude palette. I'm super excited for this eyeshadow palette because it speaks to me. It's a very neutral, cool tone, like warm tone, everyday look. You can easily get it, and I think I feel I would reach out to this palette more than any of the other palettes. I mean, not that like her other palettes are anything less, but this one is just calling my name. So here we go. I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. So I'm gonna take BK Beauty 201 blending brush, and I'm gonna go for the shade called Mash. This shade, and all over my crease line. Now I'm going for little depth on my outer corners. So I'm going for Tender. I'm going for the shade. And I'm sorry, I have BK Beauty 205. So I'm just packing this shade like in re-angle. Packing first on the both sides, and then I'm gonna blend this color in a V shape. Tender, I'm gonna blend it and blend it. I'm not taking this color all the way out on my crease. I'm just trying to keep it in this section. Same thing this side. Blend, blend, and blend. And I'm gonna go for shade called Fair, the lightest shade on this palette, the shade. And I'm gonna take the Fair and I'm going to pack it on my eyelid. It's kind of giving like a ombre type of eye look. I'm gonna take the same color Fair and I'm gonna go right under my eyebrows, right here. Now I'm gonna go for this beautiful shade called Sheen. This shade right here. And I'm gonna pack it right on top of Fair. So I'm taking rougher number 21 brush to pack this shade on top of Fair. I don't want to make it look too like too dressy, or I don't want to make it look like I'm going in the party because I'm wearing this in the daytime. I can't wait to get my hands on this eyeshadow palette more and try to get more than few looks for you guys. The things you can do with this palette. Oh my god, this is coming out gorgeous. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I'm gonna take this shade called Silhouette, this one right here, and I'm gonna make a eyeliner, like I'm gonna make a wing. I was not expecting to love this palette so much. I mean, you cannot go wrong with Natasha Denona palette, but I was not expecting this to be so beautiful. Her shimmer shade in this palette, they are so like everyday. You can totally rock them. You can totally put them on and just do your errands and not look too dressy or too fancy, but still your eyes will stand out. I'm gonna apply this shade Mia on my inner corners. Ooh. I'm gonna take the same shade Tender and I'm gonna put it right under my eyes. Here you go. So I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'm gonna show you the final look. So beauties, here's the final look using Natasha Denona's Nude palette. I am super excited about this palette. This palette looks, I mean, it looks, you can carry this everyday look. You can carry like at the dinner or the wedding. It's so beautiful for the weddings as well. So you can play with this and you'll be surprised how many looks you can get using this palette. I am super excited to create more looks using this palette. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the first look. Alrighty. Okay, ladies, here we go. We're gonna do some swatches and you're all set. I'm gonna go first row, second, and then third. Stone, Whisper, Ella, Wig, and Travertine. Delilah, Silhouette, Mousse, Fair, Filigree, Wit, Sheen, Tender, Mash, and Mia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and do leave me comments. Let me know how you feel about this palette. I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.